Hello, my friend. Welcome to this quiet space. Another day has passed. Perhaps it was a long day, a busy day, or maybe a challenging one. And now you are here, lying in your familiar bed. But perhaps your mind isn't quite here with you yet. It's still running, replaying conversations, analyzing tasks done, and worrying about what's to come, like an engine that refuses to shut down. I understand that feeling. And tonight, we are not going to fight it. We are not going to force silence. Instead, together, ever so gently, we will invite peace to return. We will create a space where your mind can slowly find its finish line. You don't have to do anything. Just listen to my voice and allow yourself to simply be. Right here, right now.
First, find a position that feels truly comfortable. Perhaps lying on your back, arms resting by your sides, palms facing up, or any position where you feel your body is completely supported. Let the mattress, the bed, hold you. Feel the weight of your body being fully accepted. You are safe. You are held. Now, let's take a deep breath in together through your nose, feeling the fresh air fill your chest, and then slowly exhale through your mouth, so slowly as if you're blowing away all the tension. Let's do that again. Breathe in the stillness of the night, and breathe out, letting go of the noise of the day. Wonderful. Now, just let your breath return to its own natural rhythm. No need to control it. Just observe it. We will now begin a small journey through your body, not to judge it, but to thank it and give it permission to rest. Bring your awareness down to your feet, the feet that carried you through the entire day. Feel the tiredness in the soles, in your toes. Silently say to them, "Thank you. It is time to rest now." And feel them slowly soften, growing warm and heavy. Move your awareness up to your calves, your knees, and your thighs. This area might be holding tension from standing, sitting, or walking. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, imagine that tension melting, like ice turning to water and flowing away. Now feel your hips and your stomach. This is often where we store unspoken emotions, the knots of our anxiety. Don't try to untie them. Simply breathe into that area. Send it warmth and acceptance. And as you exhale, allow it to become soft, to relax. Bring your awareness to your hands and your fingers. They have typed, held, and worked tirelessly. Now, let your fingers unfold. Feel the warmth spreading from your palms. Slowly move up your arms and to your shoulders. Oh, our shoulders. They carry so much. The weight of responsibility, of expectations. Right now, give yourself permission to set that weight down. Imagine it sliding off your shoulders, falling away and dissolving. Feel your shoulders become lighter, sinking deeper into the mattress. Relax your neck and your jaw. Allow a little space to form between your teeth. Soften the muscles in your face, your forehead. You don't need to hold any expression anymore. Your face is now at peace. And finally, your mind. Thoughts may still be drifting by. That is perfectly okay. Don't push them away. Let's try something different. Imagine you are sitting beside a gentle stream. As each thought arrives, place it on a leaf and watch that leaf float gently down the water until it disappears from sight. Another thought comes, you place it on another leaf and you let it go. No judgment, no attachment, just observing and releasing. Your body is now heavy, warm, and deeply relaxed. Your mind is now quiet, like the surface of a still lake. You are sinking now, sinking deeper into a space of absolute peace. This is where you belong at night, a place of pure rest and restoration.
There is nothing left to do, nowhere else to be. There is only you, your breath, and this vast stillness. I will leave you here now, in this peace. My voice will slowly fade, but this feeling of calm will remain, guiding you into a deep and gentle sleep. Allow yourself to drift. Sleep well, my friend.
If you are still awake, and if this space has brought you some peace, a simple like on this video and a subscription to the channel helps to share this stillness with more people. Thank you for meditating with me tonight. Sweet dreams.